Support CGT, give us a subscribe. Hello and welcome. I'm VikingBart, and here on the channel CGT Talk, we talk about earning money, passive income, active income, extra income. We talk about tech and the future, and we review gadgets. But today we're happy to announce the 4th season of rollercoin. For those of you who do not know what rollercoin is, well, it's a virtual mining platform, somewhat of a game, which can actually give you huge profits. And from time to time, you have a season which will increase your profits. Season 4 is all about time travel. As you can see, there are like 45 bonuses to win. What do you need to do? Well, first of all, if you haven't been using this, I'll leave a link at the end to review what rollercoin is. Be sure to use our link if you're going to use it. It's awesome, believe me. So, Season 4. All you need is an event pass, which is free. Alright, you can start right away. There are 2 upgrades available. A normal one and an expensive one, which will give you all the bonuses at once. That's something you need to decide for yourself. As soon as you can buy all the bonuses, you can place all the mining devices in your rack, in your room, and you can start earning money. Just every day come back, recharge the electricity, play one game perhaps, and that's it. So the good thing about all these seasons, they give you extra miners, as said before, and some extra bonuses. Sometimes you get rollercoin tokens for free. And as you know, those rollercoin tokens can be paid out or just used for the next season, for Season 5, a better event pass or miners. Now, for those who have been using rollercoin for some time, you'll see the game is evolving. Everything is evolving. There are more games to play. There are more cryptocurrency that you can mine. And that's good. They give you lots of options. And you can split your mining power. I do it myself. Now, do keep in mind to visit the Facebook page of rollercoin every Monday. Because every Monday they announce that there are 1 or even 3 cryptocurrency coins that will give you a boost, a nice bonus. So you can share your resources around and enjoy the bonus that they give you. Now, that's it for Season 4. Just play, make sure you got as much, play at least 80 games. That will give you a certain amount of XP, which you can use to win those bonus points, of course. Be sure to play it a lot. It's one of the best virtual mining games, platforms there is, and they really pay out well and fast. So let us know what you think about Season 4 or rollercoin in total. And see you next time.